Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am Huma Babar, your science teacher. This is class 3. Our topic is Man the Living Machine part 3. Dear students, have you wondered where your food goes through when you eat? Today we are going to take a ride inside the digestive system. Without further ado, let's trace the path of the food when it enters the human body. Digestion is the process whereby the food is transformed so that it can be absorbed and used by the body's cells. The digestive system helps to break down the food that we eat into simpler forms so that it can be used by the body. Human digestive system consists of two parts, the digestive tract and the organs of digestion. Without organs, the digestive tract is just a tube, and probably the same stuff will come out that you put in without the action of enzymes from these organs. Alimentary canal or digestive tract is the pathway by which food enters the body and solid wastes are expelled. The digestion of food in human takes place in the alimentary canal, which is a long tube extending from the mouth to the anus. What does the alimentary tract consist of? The organs of alimentary canal are buccal cavity, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. Two glands, namely liver and pancreas, also help in digestion. Dear students, digestion starts in the mouth with chewing and salivation. We are well aware of the fact that the process of digestion begins in the mouth. That means the breakdown of food begins right from the time food enters human body. Teeth are used to chew and mash up the food, and the salivation glands produce saliva to soften food. The food is taken in through the mouth. It is chewed and mixed with saliva in the buccal cavity. Saliva is a digestive juice secreted by the salivary glands. Then tongue moves the food around, mixes it with saliva and forms the bowels. Here you can see epiglottis. When the food enters our throat, the epiglottis folds backward to cover the entrance of the windpipe. So food and liquid do not enter the windpipe and lungs. So you can say it prevents food from entering the windpipe when swallowing. The chewed food enters into the food pipe or esophagus and is then slowly pushed into a bag-like structure called stomach. The esophagus is the long, thin and muscular tube that connects the throat to the stomach. Dear students, there are glands all throughout the digestive system. They secrete digestive juices at various points in digestive system. First we have salivary glands. Next on the list are gastric glands on the both sides of the stomach. Then come the next two glands, the liver and the pancreas. The food is churned in the stomach to further break it down. The stomach secretes gastric juices that continue with digestion to process the food. It has a vital role in digestion. One of the important functions of our stomach is to store food until it is digested. Food can be stored here for 2 to 3 hours. The food is then goes into a highly coiled tube called small intestine. The small intestine receives secretions from the liver, bile juice and pancreatic juice. The wall of the small intestine also secretes the juice which helps in further digestion of food. Here you can see liver and pancreas. The small intestine receives secretion from the liver and pancreas. In small intestine, the substances the food needs are absorbed and passed on to the blood. The walls of the small intestine also secrete juices which help in further digestion of food. Most of the digestion occurs in the small intestine. The undigested food is passed into the large intestine. It is wider than the small intestine. The digestive food is then passed into blood vessels, and undigested food is passed into large intestine, which is wider than small intestine. Excess of water and salts absorbs in the large intestine. Any substances the body has not yet absorbed go to the large intestine. Now, dear students, undigested waste is passed out of the body through the anus. The anus is the last part of the digestive system. The undigested food is thrown out of the body through the anus. Here you can see. That's all from my side. Thank you. Bye bye.